Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you won't miss out on these nice videos that I drop every day, or should I say every week. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the chart. So as you can see, this volatility 50. So I spotted this bearish flag pattern. So at first I didn't see this, so because there wasn't any trend line on my screen then. So this is how the chart was. Even this other block wasn't here. So this is how the chart was. But then I saw this displacement to the downside. Then the market started giving these higher highs, like a little retracement against the fall. Because as you can see, generally the market is in a downtrend. So this here, right, this movement is a retracement to the upside, and then it's retracing in this series of higher highs and higher lows. So I decided to zoom in so as to see what's happening. Then I brought out my trend line. So I know how to draw the trend line. The higher the time frame, then the more the trend line, like if you are drawing the trend line and you are going higher, like if you're on the 1 minute time frame and you want to draw a trend line, you don't really consider the wicks. So you just have to be on the body of the candle. But since I'm going higher, like this is the 15 minutes time frame, you start considering the wicks. So as you can see now, I'm trying to draw look at these wicks here. The first one, second one, right? So the time I spotted this market, it was around this place. So the market was around this place. So it hasn't made any move to the downside. So I only saw these 2 weeks. So and I had to draw my trend line. So if I put the trend line now, this is what you get. That's considering these 2 weeks now, the weeks. So we are waiting for the market to come back to this place so that I can, because that was what I was seeing there, so I can take my buy from here. So before the market got to the trend line, it gave me this drop, base, drop. So if you've been watching my previous videos, you notice that I've been talking about this base candle, like when you have a rally base rally or drop base drop. So what I mean by drop base drop, if I zoom in now, you see that the market made a move to the downside and then a base. By this base now, it gave a series of candles. Sometimes it will give one candle as the base. So now, sorry for that, guys. So now I have to wait for the market to either break the trend line or give me a confirmation that it wants to go up. So if I zoom out back, you notice that we had a break to the downside. So in order to find my sell entries, I had to wait for the market to come back and retest my trend line. So, but mind you, we had a break, a base candle here. Sorry about that, guys. So we had a base candle here. Therefore, I have to bring up my other block, because I know that following the retail pattern or the retail way of trading, I have to wait for the market to come back to my trend line and tap into the trend line so that I can confirm my sell. So now the first confirmation we have in this market now is that I have this falling bearish flag pattern. I know whenever you spot a bearish flag pattern, you are going to, like, according to this what we have on the screen now, this is a bearish flag pattern. Therefore, we are expecting a break to the downside. So now I know that, and I'm trying to find a couple of confirmations, like other conditions, to to add to it so that we have more confirmations to enter the market. So now, after the break of this trend line, I have to wait for the market to tap into the trend line again, then before going down, and then couple with this drop base drop that I told you. So the market is not only going to tap at this I'm not only waiting for the market to come back to the trend line now, I'm also waiting for it to tap into this zone. That's the supply area now. I hope you guys are following what I'm saying. So this is the supply area now. So as you can see, the market tapped into it, and then I had to enter the market, because now the third confirmation here now is that if you take a look at this place, you see that the market gave us a high here, a low, a higher high, right? So this higher high now, the market gave us a higher high by taking out this previous high, right? Therefore, this is a break of structure, right? So the market came down again and then took out this low, giving us a change of character. So all I had to do is to wait for the market to retrace into this zone. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. So wait for the market to retrace into this zone so as to complete the Quasimodo pattern, or this Quasimodo setup. So if you have been watching my previous videos, you won't find these things that I'm saying strange. So now this is another confirmation or another pattern for me to take a sell. We have a high, low, higher high, lower low. Then what do? I wait for the market to retrace up to this level so as to give me the right shoulder of the Quasimodo, and therefore tapping into the supply zone, and at the same time almost close to my trend line. So I took the sell. So how many confirmations do we have now? Sorry. So the first one was that we had this displacement to the downside, then our bearish flag pattern, and then the market went down, coupled with this Quasimodo pattern that gave us a high, low, higher high, lower low, and then we waited for the market to come to our supply zone, then we took the trade. So that's it, guys. Then in order to make this in order for you to see this very clearly, let me complete the flag so that you understand. So now look at this. Look at this. So this is the pole of the candle, I mean the pole of the flag, and then this is the flag. So if you go to Google, maybe you search types of candle, I mean types of flag patterns, you see there are so many, like I think there are about, I'm not really sure, maybe 6 or something like that. So just go to Google and type types of flag patterns in the forex market. You see the remaining ones. So as to practice, and you practice them so that whenever you spot them on your screen, you know what it means. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to the channel and like my videos. Thank you.